Hey guys, it's time to do another showcase. Today I'm showcasing another edition of the Purple Petals painting. I have sold several of these and I am sure someone is going to love this one as well. I've brought it outside so that I can show you these beautiful colors in the sunshine. It is on a 10-inch by 10-inch professional grade canvas. It has been sealed with a clear gloss top coat. It will be added to my Etsy shop once my current clearance sale is over, which will be soon in the next couple of days. The sun has went in, but I'm sure you are still able to enjoy this. Hope you are. I'm going to say farewell for today, but I will see you again soon for either a showcase or a paint party. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.